Beloved author and illustrator Sharon Lovejoy really knows how to capture a child's imagination outdoors and takes all us adults along. Christine Jones and her 9-year-old daughter Elena shared a very special discovery. Last summer, they put deer fencing around an old swing set to grow bottle gourds. When they left the gourds dry on the vine, insects moved in on remaining growth. Christine wanted to clear out the bed a little, but then she and Elena discovered ladybug larvae and pupae along with adult ladybugs, which were laying new eggs. Wisely, they chose to leave that garden chore for later and keep the natural cleanup crew around. Maria Pavlovsky spotted a cute, plump little American woodcock in her backyard and quickly grabbed this video of something she'd never seen before. And my own discovery, that I'd forgotten to move 2 cherished plants out of the cold on a recent extra frosty night. My patio citrus is a bumper satsuma and bounced back rather quickly. The top leaves, which were most exposed, are now simply curled, while the lower sections of the plant, naturally protected by the upper portions, show no damage at all. My ficus tree was not so lucky. It normally resides on a protected area of my front porch, and I rarely bring it inside, even on the coldest of nights. But I forgot that I'd moved it over to a sunnier spot recently, where it was more exposed to wind and cold, and the top of it is now completely desiccated and dead. But like the citrus, the lower portions are undamaged. I plan to prune out the dead sections to reinvigorate new growth once spring arrives, and this tropical tree will bounce back just fine. We'd love to hear from you. Head to centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, questions, and pictures.